Hello friends, in this video I explain question of our database questionnaire. This is my 23 question. First I open my HeadSQL to plot the queries. Now we see our first question. What is the lowest mark obtained for the single subject in the first term? So this is the first question answer query. First I join exam term and subject table to get our conditions details. Then I get the mark, minimum mark using this select minimum function. Now I run my query. So we got the result of minimum mark in single language for first term. Now we see our next question. Find all the details of the students who got the lowest mark in the first term singular subject. So in here we use join query and subquery. In here we use previous query to get our details for this condition. Then we join our exam term, student table, class table and subject table to get the marks. Then I use this select function to get the index number, first name and last name and gender and contact number and class of that student. So I run my query. We got the details of the students who got the minimum mark for Sinhala language and literature in the first term like this. Now we see our next question. What is the lowest mark obtained in the second term science subject? In here we join the exam term and student subject table to get our condition. Second term is second term and subject name is science. Then I use this select min function to get the minimum mark of the student. So now I run my query. We got the minimum mark 45.522 like this. So now we see our next question. What is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of the mathematics in the term examination held on this day? In here also we use like previous query design, but we change our condition. Exam date is this and subject name is mathematics. So I run my query. Then I got the minimum mark like this for this date exam. Now we see our last question. Find all the details of the students who obtained the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on this day. In here also we use previous query to get the minimum mark. Then we use that mark value and get the student index number, use this subquery. Then we get the student details using the select function. Finally we get the student's details using the select function. So I run my query. We get the results of like this. So this is our answers to the question 23. Thank you.